How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Total bench grinder. It's the 150 watt version and I bought it at around 40 US dollars. So this is going to be part of my workshop. I'm building a workshop. If you don't know, I have a workshop build series planned. I already have some videos posted. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe and also go ahead and watch those videos that I already have up. Well, it really gets interesting in the next episode that I'm going to be posting on that series. So definitely watch so that you get caught up to everything and you understand kind of what leads up to it. So that aside, let's focus on this unboxing. This package comes with a user manual. Of course, it has every instruction that you will need to operate this bench grinder, to service it and to assemble it. But I'm going to be making a video on how to assemble this bench grinder, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned. I'm going to be posting it probably tomorrow, so stay on the lookout for that if you're interested. So yeah, this is how it comes in the box. I'm going to be taking it out of the box now. It comes with these attachment tools. It has a bracket to attach the acrylic shields and some nuts here and there to kind of fasten everything to the bench grinder. It also comes with two acrylic shields, one with a magnifier and just one plain. The packaging is okay. It has this foam at the edges to kind of protect it from damage, and there's nothing really else in there. So this is what you get. The build quality of this feels really nice. It's pretty much made of metal all around. It has this rubber feet at the bottom to kind of keep it from moving, but it's definitely not enough. So you'll have to do some inner reinforcement on your own. It has a 150 watt motor, as I said, with 2,950 revolutions per minute. And it also comes with a UK plug, but if you're living in any other places that requires another plug, you can definitely adjust it to your plug. It has two discs, 150 millimeter discs, one rough, one soft. It has this little plastic tray to kind of keep your things that you'd want to keep there. I don't know what you'd want to keep there, but yeah. As I said before, it has these two acrylic shields. This will help you not get hit at the face by sparks, because pretty much when you're working with a bench grinder, you're usually really close to it, and so sparks fly around, and so these shields help you, but definitely still use safety goggles. Sparks can, sometimes fly in unexpected ways, so protect yourself at all times. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you want to see how to assemble a bench grinder, I think this applies to any bench grinder. Definitely watch this video next. Bye, see you next time, and don't forget to like the video and comment down below if you want to see more of this, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already.